Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block ads in your YouTube studio. So what you want to do, guys, once you log into your YouTube studio on YouTube, the first thing that you want to do is to literally click on the settings on the lower right hand side of YouTube. So you're inside your YouTube studio, maybe you're on home or your dashboard, whichever section you're on inside your YouTube studio, just simply click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, you want to go down to the section there that says add categories. So click on add categories. Here you can simply choose to block by putting a URL, right? So you can put URLs here and do blocking from there. But from here you have two other categories. You have sensitive category and you also have general category. Now once you come here, guys, you will see the ones that are currently being blocked, and these are the ones that are currently being blocked. Now you can always go ahead and unblock any ad category if you so desire, as you can see. But if you want to block, and you can easily view the ones that are blocked. So these are the all one in general, so you can see everything, and you can also see the ones that are blocked. So as you can see, I have two that I currently have blocked here, and these are the alcohol and gambling. And if you want to block something else, you can simply click on block and these will be blocked, but these are the ones that are currently available. So if you also want to block ad from the general section, you can go to general and you can see the entire 509 different ads that are currently there, and you can easily expand any category. Let's say you want to go to finance, you can see that there are 52 different type of ads that are there. So you can basically go through any one that you wish, right? And you can find something there and you can simply click on block. It's really up to you. So guys, that's it. That's how you go ahead and block a particular ad in YouTube. That's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.